Here we have a call for a fridge not working. The first thing you obviously want to do is take the temperature of the freezer. You can see here it's at 51 degrees. That is well above what we should be getting. The freezer temperature should be anywhere between 15 to negative 15 degrees. If your freezer is not cooling, you obviously are going to have either a restriction going down the canal, or you're going to have some buildup here at the coil area. So what you want to do is remove this bottom panel, remove your shelving, remove your ice maker, and then remove this back panel. You can definitely see that we do have some partial restrictions here at the ports that feed into the fridge. You want to make sure that you clear that out. Usually you can use a blow dryer, but you can see here the coils as well. They have severe blockage. So you want to use your blow dryer and start to thaw this out before you do any actual troubleshooting. Here we have already done half of the coils in the freezer. We're going to finish this other half before we actually start troubleshooting the refrigerator. We have completely thawed out the ice off of the coils inside of the freezer, and what we're going to do at this point is we're going to start by setting the freezer in defrost cycle. Now, I do have a video posted on my page showing you how to set your freezer in a defrost cycle. But basically, this is the mechanism right here. It's located on the inside of your fridge, and it's going to be in the back, in this small opening right here. Now, what I'm doing is I'm putting my key inside, and I'm just trying to catch it. You'll hear it once you actually catch it. And you can see here that it turns the fan motor off. This is the actual defrost thermostat. This should send a signal. This coil should be heating up by now, but it's not. It's pretty much an automatic response. So we do know at this point that we're having an issue with the defrost thermostat. This is what actually sends the signal to your heating coil to remove the ice buildup. Now you can see here it's already starting to separate. Now that's an indication that this needs to be replaced. This is what an actual good one looks like. You can see here it's nice and flush and flat, but on this one it's actually starting to bulge. Unplug your fridge. Here we replaced the defrost thermostat with the new one, and you can see here that the coil, the heating coil, is already starting to melt the ice. Once everything thaws out completely, you can go ahead and manually turn the fridge back on, and the fan motor should turn on. And you can see here that all the ice buildup has melted away.